Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Are you planning to relocate here in Thailand but you are not sure yet if you can afford it? Well, just keep on watching because I will give you advices and tips and the things that you need to prepare before you move here. So we will talk about cost of living, visas, and some other stuff before moving here in Thailand. Tip number one, visa. When you arrive here in Thailand, you get 60 days visa. And then after that, you have an option if you want to extend it first in the immigration and you get another 30 days. But if you don't want to do any kind of hassle, I suggest you guys, before your 60 days tourist visa expires, just apply for a student visa. If you chose Pattaya to live, or if you're planning to relocate here, there are lots of schools that offers Thai class for you to get a student visa, like the one I have before. They offer it for 1 year, like 23,000 plus 5,000 baht every 3 months for stamping. So actually you don't have to leave the country. And then after that, after 1 year, if you still wanted to stay here in Thailand, the other visa that you can actually apply is what they call destination visa, or they call it DTV. It allows us to stay here 5 more years. So I'll make a separate video about that once I successfully applied for my DTV. Tip number 2, banking. When you arrive in Thailand, if you're still in tourist visa and you wanted to apply for a bank account right away, yes, you can. It's possible, but you need to do it with an agency. So you need to pay an extra because there's a lot of documents that they are requiring, and a Bangkok bank will accept for a tourist visa holder to apply as long as you are under with the agency. So here in Pattaya, there are lots of agency that offers that. But if you have your student visa, you don't have to go with the agency. It's gonna save you a lot of money. Just apply yourself, because every bank here where you wanted to apply, they only allow if you have a long-term visa. So basically, if you have student visa, it's 1 year, so you can just do it yourself. Just go straight to the bank and apply for it. Bangkok Bank or Kasikorn or any bank that you prefer. Tip number 3, location. Well, it depends on your budget, but I suggest you guys, before you come over, do your research. Join some Pattaya groups and then post something in your Facebook, if you're using Facebook, that you are looking for a place, and just mention how much is your budget, and you will be getting a lot of offers, so that then you can compare. That's what I have done before I did that. And yeah, I got my apartment. This is 5,000 baht per month. I love the location. I'm here in Pratamnak area, very close to the beach and more quiet compared to Pattaya City or Pattaya Central. So location wise, and also it's free internet, so it's free Wi-Fi here. And lastly, about the budget, if you are a digital nomad that makes at least $1,000 per month, then living here in Thailand is possible. Here in Pattaya, I have different blog about it. I will pin it in the comment section so you can watch how you can budget $1,000 per month. So if you have a savings which is good for 1 year, then yeah, give it a try. Move here in Thailand so that you can experience the Thailand life. Living in Thailand is great, guys. I'm here now for 2 years and I want to stay longer. So see you in my next videos and have a great day.